Hello and welcome back to GW Add-ons. Invoicing is the lifeblood of your business, but doing it manually is a slow, repetitive headache. What if the moment a customer placed an order, a professional, calculated PDF invoice was generated and sent to them automatically? With SmartForm Publisher, you can put your billing on autopilot. For invoices, Google Sheets is your best friend. It allows you to use markers to pull in customer data, while using built-in formulas to calculate taxes, discounts, and totals instantly. Just set up your layout once, and SmartForm Publisher handles the rest for every single order. In the sidebar, connect your sheet template and head to the output settings. To ensure your invoices look professional and cannot be edited, select PDF as your primary format. You can even use markers in the file name to keep your records perfectly organized and easy to search. Now, set up the automated email. Map the recipient's email address to your form question, and every customer will receive their receipt the second they hit submit. It's instant, it's professional, and it gives your customers immediate peace of mind. Eliminate the paperwork, stop the manual math, and look like a pro. That's the power of SmartForm Publisher. Install it today from the Google Workspace Marketplace and start automating your success. Visit gwaddons.com for more business automation tools.